In this video, I will show you step by step how you can create an Amazon affiliate account just in few minutes. This will be an easy and quick tutorial. So let's get started. I already have an Amazon affiliate account. As you can see, this is my Amazon affiliate account. I just created this account and I will start promoting affiliate links to earn commission. Okay. So anyway, so for you, if you want to start making money with Amazon, you should first create an affiliate account. So what you will do, let me show you. Just go to your Google, okay, and you need to search for Amazon Associate, okay, and click on the first link like this. It's super easy, guys. You will be directly in this page over here, as you can see, to Amazon Associate affiliate, and you just need to click on sign up, and here you go, and click over here on create your Amazon account, okay, like this. And here you go. You just need to put your first and last name, okay, and put your email address, put your password again here to make sure it's the same password that you are using. Then click on create your Amazon account, and here you go. That's it. And after you finish, you just need to click on create your Amazon account. You should have an account like this one. Your account will be created, and you should have an account with Amazon affiliate like this one, and this will be your home page. Okay, so that's how you can create an Amazon affiliate account. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel, like this video, and see you in my next videos.